Hey guys, Steph here from North Shore Bronco. I had the doors off. I'm gonna put them back on. I'm gonna time myself. This is the first time putting the doors back on, and we'll see how long it takes. Now, just so you know, your little tool kit that you do get with the Bronco. So you have your little kit. When I took them off, I put all the bolts in there. You have this alignment tool. You need to make sure you use this. I've seen a lot of people post online where they don't use it. The door drops, they hit the corner, and they wreck their door. So, all right, I know which socket I need. I'll get that ready. Start the timer. We'll start with the passenger door. I will put my guide pin down here, and then I will go get the passenger door, which is this one. Is it this one? Yeah. And you got your hand hold down here, and on the other side you grab.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So I'll go here, and I should be able to line up that guide pin. And now that I have that there, I keep holding the door with one hand. And look here, Dave, get right in there. I'm able to easily plug that back in. Now I grab a bolt and now I can lift a little bit. There. Kind of hard to get in there. Here, I'll start threading this bolt in. Okay, so now my door, there's no danger of my door falling because I got the top bolt in. Now, if you look here, the little guide pin just screws out and we're still lined up. So that's actually really nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll show you on the other side as well. Now remember, this is the first time me doing this. There. Pretty sure the torque for these is good and tight. So, no worries there. There. That side's done. Grab my tools and we'll head over to the other side. Dave, come down right here. See this here? This is where you put your guide pin. And with the door on it, you can unscrew it after. So that's what makes it great. I'll just go get the door now. Grab handle. And grab the point. Yeah, so as you see, I can't even see it, but it was easy enough. Tilt up a little bit so you can see the connector.
Yeah.
And then connector, and I'm just holding on to the door handle. That's snapped in. And then I do have to grab the door again and lift up a little bit to get the top. And now it's actually sitting in there. So now I'll grab my bolt. Yeah, well, it's the first time I wasn't used to it. Once you know where it is, but the big thing is to make sure you don't drop the door because you'll wreck these corners, like down here. So you see the guide is there, top bolt's in, so the door can't come off, but I can unscrew the guide and the door stays in position. So take this out, put it in my toolkit, and then grab my final bolt. Put that on. Torque it down good and tight. And there, good and tight. We're done. It's 5 minutes and 15 seconds, and that's with me doing it the first time ever and explaining it as I go. So it's not bad at all. This shouldn't keep you from wanting to take your doors off in the summer. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Lots more Bronco videos coming. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.